Okay, burping just hurts so much sometimes, okay? Yeehaw, everybody, and welcome back to... Yeehaw, everybody, it is me, Aliyah, and welcome back to my channel, guys. So, today, we're going to be doing something really fun. This video starts what I'm going to be trying to do for Vlogmas, where I post 3 videos a week. So if you're wondering, Aliyah, are you freaking crazy? The answer is yes, I'm insane, and I like to do things that I can't do. So here I am, doing 3 videos a week for Vlogmas. Pray for me, pray for my sanity, because it's going to be quite a scary ride, but I will try my hardest to do it for you guys. It's like a 12 days of Christmas thing, because 3 videos a week for 4 weeks is 12, and 12 days of Christmas. We On Mondays, I want to do makeup, Wednesdays a singing cover, and Fridays a cringy just vlog, whatever video, whatever I want. Probably nothing to do with Christmas. Hey there, I told a little bit of a fib. Actually, Wednesdays will be a vlog and Fridays will be a singing cover. Okay, sorry, bye. So I hope you guys are excited for that. I'm excited for it. I'm just kind of scared for it because I haven't done much pre-filming, so I'm gonna have to start doing that like I'm doing it right now. So if you guys are excited for that, give this video a big old thumbs up. I'm gonna be doing this Rudolph the Red-Nosed makeup tutorial. Wait, what? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer makeup tutorial for you guys. I have other Christmas character theme makeup things I want to do too, so get excited for those. If you are excited, like I said, give the video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I post. Let's get started, baby. Okay, so sorry if you're really tired of hearing about this palette. We're using the James Charles and Morphe palette because it's right in front of my face. It has everything you need. So sometimes you just gotta use what's right in front of your face, and this is just right in front of my face, so we're just gonna use it. It's me again. I just want to say that I realize how awful and rough I look, but you know, there's not really anything I can do now. I'm not some cool editor, so I'm sorry. We're just gonna all have to suffer and look at me being this ugly. All right, bye. So I already primed my eyes, so we're gonna just dive right into the look. Alrighty, all right. First we're gonna start with... we're going to be using Code James. So first we're going to start off in our crease with Code James. And this is just like our transition shade kind of thing. So let's do it. So like if you're watching this, that means I'm doing Vlogmas, which means I'm really scared for my life because I haven't done much preparation for Vlogmas besides just thinking about it. And let's just hope for the best that we get this Vlogmas done, because I want to give you guys some good content. Because also last year whenever I did it, I gained a lot of subscribers, so that's what got me a lot more people on my team, you know, in our little family here on YouTube, because, you know, it is very small. But we can grow. And one day we're going to be like one of the biggest out here. We're going to be slaying the game, and the hoes won't even know what hit them, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm talking about anymore, okay? So now I'm going to deepen it with the shade 10% Off. I should like show you. It's this one right here. So first we used Code James, and now we're using 10% off. Because if you use Code James for 10, you get 10%. I don't know. I'm going to go in with this packing brush from one of the Anastasia palettes, you know. And I'm literally just going to pat it in my crease. And you bring it up a little bit. Not like deep in the crease, but like you can bring it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm saying. I think one of the things I suck at in life is explaining things. So it's really interesting to me that I do makeup tutorials when I can't explain for anything, you know? Now I'm going to go back in with Code James just to get a smooth transition. And now we're going to go in with, like, to deepen, we're going to go in with No Beans. Yeah, and like literally just go straight in the crease. And we're going to wing it out, bring that baby out to the side, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna blend it out. You know what I realized whenever I did this eye, like I kind of covered the brown because I wasn't planning to do the whole red thing, but you know, like it's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, so like I gotta make it red somehow, you know? This is kind of a waste of your time, but you should still do it because I said so. Because I'm the certified artist here, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Okay, so now that we did that, it's time to, unfortunately, cut our crease. I keep giving myself looks where I cut the crease, even though, like, that's my least favorite part of makeup ever in the history of makeup. And I'm just going to use this LA Girl stuff because my ColourPop stuff is running out and I'm trying to preserve it as much as I can. ColourPop, if you want to put me on the PR list, please, please. I'm in love with your products. One day soon, ladies and gents. Alright, let's cut this crease. And you're going to wing out the cut crease too. Everything is winged out. I don't know why, but it is. I'm not gonna lie, this is the worst cut crease I've ever done in my entire life. It's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna set this with white now. So I'm just gonna get this packing brush. I'm gonna use flashback. I'm literally avoiding where I messed up the cut crease, and I'm gonna cover it up with that red liner, or the red lipstick that we're gonna use. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to get a red liner, or if you don't have a red liner, a red lipstick, and this is eyelash glue. A red lipstick, and we're gonna carve out the crease like that. I've never done that before, this thing before, so I'm kind of confused by it. So I'm just trying my best. So, you know, just don't judge. You know, you can only try your best in this. You can only try your best in this life, and that's just what I'm trying to do out here. I don't know. Sorry if I'm not very talkative. Sorry for how gross my chins look. Ooh. I only got 4 or 5 hours of sleep because I was up all night editing. Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry. I'm just gonna reset the white. So now I'm gonna put on eyeliner. You know, my rinky dink elf. See, like, this look is literally so easy. We're like done. Well, we have to do like the Rudolph part, but you know. So now we're gonna wing it out, like to basically complete this shape of a wing. Okay, our eyeliner is looking completely uneven, but we're gonna just try to fix it. But if it doesn't work, we're not gonna dwell on it because we all know what happens whenever you try to go back and fix eyeliner multiple times. You just mess it up and then you cry. So now that that's done, we're gonna do the bottom lash line, which is super simple. Just gonna get whatever brush you want to use on your lower lash line and go into we're gonna use your kidding, and we're just gonna go under the eye. Then I'm gonna go back in with Code James and go under that to transition it into my skin. And then we're gonna use the shade Face and go right out of the James. Then we're gonna get Face and go right under. And these colors are just kind of like whatever colors would blend into your skin, like how you want it to. Let's apply the lashes. Scary. So I had to put my lashes in my wallet the other night because I was out for Thanksgiving and I didn't want them on my face anymore. And they were in my purse like this. Like this part was like they were turned upside down. And you know how scared I was? I thought this was the end of my lily lashes and I was gonna have to buy a whole other pair, which wasn't gonna happen because I'm hashtag not financially there. I fixed it and we're fine. So hopefully all is well for my lily lashes. Lily lashes, if you want to put me on the PR list, you're more than welcome to. I'll be right back. I can't do this on camera. Okay, my lashes are on, and now let's put this, I'm going to put a white liner on the inside of my eye, on like my waterline. So let's do it. Now I'm going to go highlight my brow bone, and I'm going to use a ring light to go under my brow bone. And I'm also going to use that in my inner corner as well. Next part I'm a little bit scared about. So I want to do like, you know, draw a nose on my face. Because Rudolph is a red-nosed reindeer. I guess I gotta do it. So I'm gonna get this red lipstick. Oh, this is a lipstick from Stila. It's called Bisou. You know, like, I think it's like when you're French and you go mwah, mwah. Or if you live in Hollywood. Or if you're like rich and you're like, oh, I'm in Gucci. Hey, Levant. What is someone who Hey Rhonda, nice to see you in this Gucci store. Alright, let's just draw this freaking nose on my nose. Maybe I should line it first. I'm gonna draw it out first with I'll use a shadow, but I'm gonna do it not with lipstick because that's more scary. So I'm gonna get You're Kidding, and I'm gonna outline my nose. I'm not sure how this is gonna look. Okay, let's just fill it in with this and then I'll have an idea. Wait, I don't need to put lipstick on, I can literally just use the eyeshadow, okay. Do I look stupid? I can't tell. Okay, I put the shades, no, yeah, okay. I put the shade Space and Ring Light on my nose like I did in my, I'm just gonna leave it. I think it's okay. Now I'm going to put on mascara because my eyelashes look dusty. So now I'm gonna put on my highlight. You know, ColourPop Luster Dust. No surprise here. Ooh. Wow. Never ceases to amuse me. I promise I'm not doing drugs. Like, my nose just really likes to freak out and drip everywhere. Not like Tana Mojo's, but I'm just a snotty girl in a snotty world, you know? Because we are a deer, we must have deer lips. So we're only doing one lip here, ladies. So I'm gonna line it first with this Polito thing, you know. Now I'm gonna get the shade Cloudscape from ColourPop and fill it in. It's just a dark brown because I don't think deer's lips are black. Even if they are, I don't really want to use black, so. Should I make this look more like my skin tone? Let's just dab it with a little bit of concealer. Promise I don't have ashy lips, guys. I'm just a reindeer. I meant to put my hoops in literally 10 years ago. Sometimes I get scared to wear hoops during a video because I'm like, what if I like blend too hard and I like catch my hand in the hoop and I just tear it off. Pretty scary stuff if you ask me, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, so this is a finished look. I am Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, if you couldn't tell, and this is how it looks, this is how I feel. I think it looks pretty good. I like that I tried the whole red lipstick thing in the liner because I've never tried that before, so I was pushing myself to do something I haven't done. You know, we gotta step it up for Christmas makeup tutorials. This is like basically the beginning of me doing Christmas makeup tutorials, like Christmassy themes, so I hope you guys are excited for that because I'm excited for it, a little bit stressed about it, but a little bit excited. A lot bit excited actually because I've never done like the Christmas character theme makeup. I do like holiday makeup, but never like Rudolph the Red-Nosed makeup tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this video, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so I'm notified anytime that I post, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Rudolph. I don't have any antlers though, so sorry.
It's the holiday season and Santa Claus is coming round. The Christmas